Diablo 4 is very close to the final release and players have already started playing the early access. However, a significant portion of them are facing incredibly annoying crashing issues even on high-end hardware. These reports are mostly from PC players at the moment. While some are getting these crashes on various cutscenes, others are unable to enter the game as it shuts down at the login or loading page itself. Due to this, players are unable to play the game, let alone enjoy it. But before getting into it, if this video helps, please consider subscribing to the channel as we're trying to reach 1000 subscribers this year. According to a few reports, if the crash occurs during a cutscene, it may corrupt certain files, make things uninteractable, and keep you stuck at a specific part. But we do have some workarounds that could help fix various kinds of crashes for players. The good old scan and repair method showed results for a gamer and resolved the problem for them. But this one is more of a hit or a miss. If your game is stuck at the initial loading screen, moving it from one drive to the other one can act as a potential solution. This particular one fixed the issue for multiple players. If you have HDR enabled in your Windows display settings, try turning it off as well. There's also the annoying Fenris error crash that seems to be affecting a lot of PC gamers. While there is no clear solution to this one, some recommend updating to a new graphics driver or switching to a previous one as a trial and error kind of a fix. For one player, updating their BIOS fixed these crashes. However, such a workaround is only recommended to those who know what they're doing. If you're facing the out-of-memory crashes, this particular solution can help you avoid them. Feel free to pause the video and read the steps. The sad part is that there is a chance that these crashes may not resolve even after trying all these steps. Most of them are due to the game's lack of optimization for various kinds of hardware. We hope the developers look into these issues and fix them before the final release. If this video was helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching.